Hi everyone, your pal Ral here with another vlog. So a while back, I got this wireless mechanical keyboard and I've enjoyed using it. It was my first time owning one and it's been really nice. But the reason why I got this, aside from just wanting a mechanical keyboard, is because a while back, I saw that Fangamer released a set of keycaps, which I think is the first time they've ever done that. And at the time, they sold out pretty quickly, but a couple weeks ago they restocked those keycaps, and that's what arrived today. And I'm very, very excited to talk about this because it's a game that I just really, really like. At least like the design of the keycaps are based off a game I really like, and yeah, it's been, I guess, the game that I was thinking about for a good portion of this year so far, and this is probably going to get me to finish playing more of it. But I got Fangamer's Celeste Keycap set. Yeah, when I saw Fangamer announce this, I think it was like February or March of this year. It was at the very start of the year, I remember that. I was just really in awe of the design of the keycaps, and that's actually kind of what pushed me to get a mechanical keyboard in the first place, but it also pushed me into playing through Celeste again. And playing through Celeste at the time I did was just wonderful. I enjoyed playing through it again, and I stopped playing through the B-sides a while back, but this was probably going to get me in the mood to resume playing through. I think I stopped after chapter 4 of the B-sides, because I wanted to do the B-sides without going through assist mode like I did in my Let's Play, but yeah. I do need to take out the keys of the keyboard before I can install the keycaps, but let's see. I want to just at least open this up first. Even the box art for this is very nice, just seeing like the mountain there, the floating strawberry. I did collect all the strawberries in my playthrough of Celeste, which was fun. But yeah, I do want to get back to playing through the B-sides without assist mode, and probably not go through the C-sides because those are difficult. I remember when I was going through the Let's Play and going through the C-sides in assist mode, I could see, it's like, oh yeah, these are really, really, something. But the base game of Celeste, just going through the regular chapters, it is challenging, but fair would be a good way to describe the game. And just overall, it's a really good game. There we go. Here are the keycaps themselves, and yeah, just a really pretty design. Don't know which spacebar I want to use because they're both good. Actually, does my keyboard have the longer spacebar? No, it doesn't. Okay. But yeah, really cool. Okay, time to begin the process of dekeying my keyboard and then applying these. So I took all the keys off of the keyboard and I'm about to apply these. I did not show this, but there are other keys that came with the keycap set. So there's keys for the number pad and then just alternative keys for these. So yeah, let's apply these. Sorry for the abrupt cut, but for some reason the previous clip did not film the rest of me assembling the keycaps on the keyboard and talking about it afterwards, which is really weird. Not sure what happened there, but anyways, this is what the keyboard looks like now. It's been a couple of weeks since I finished building this. I just got around to editing this vlog, and I mean, I like how it looks. It looks really good, especially like with the rainbow, like RGB lighting behind it. And I mean, it sounds great. The only issue I've had is, I think with this keyboard in particular, I don't think it's an issue with the keys or anything, but the backspace is not as responsive as it used to be. So I think I might have damaged the mechanism when I was taking apart the old key that was there. But I mean, it still works. It's just not as responsive as it used to be. But yeah, I really like the way this looks, and such a cool looking keyboard. Thanks again, Fangamer, for making this product a thing. And I'm kind of considering just buying another like copy of the keycaps just to have like as a backup, just in case like these ones wear down over time, because I don't think I'm going to be changing the keycaps on this at all. Anyways, yeah, that's going to be it. The keyboard is great. Fangamer always makes great products, as I have said before, but this one just blows everything out of the water from like other Fangamer things that I've gotten over the years, in my personal opinion. Anyways, that's going to be it. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time for another vlog. Later.